Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make the picture corrections in Photoshop app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Photoshop app. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, now we have to choose the image, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to choose the image. So let's see which image. For example, I'm going to use this image. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now image will be open. So as you can see, the image is open. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the adjustment option, and after going to the adjustment option, as you can see, all the options are provided here. If you want to make adjustments, as you can see, like the clarity is also provided here. If you have to click on the clarity, and sharpen, if you want to apply the sharpen, you can also do that. You have to increase or decrease the value of the sharpen, and then go to the clarity section. If you want to increase or decrease the clarity section, you can also do that. After that, as you can see, a reduce color and reduce luminance and dehaze, all options are provided here. You have to choose that which one you want to use. After choosing that, you have to increase or decrease the intensity of that option. For example, if you are using a fade or if you are using exposure, you have to set the intensity of that. And after doing that, simply you have to go to this option. As you can see, here's the option. So let's click on this, and your image will be saved into gallery. So if you want to export this as a Photoshop document, you can also do that. You have to click on this share icon. So let's click on the share icon, and after clicking on the share icon, you will get some options. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, the options are provided here, like the express, ps, express, and ps. These all are provided here. Some of them are paid. So if you want to use this picture somewhere else, like in lightroom, wallpaper, print, and all options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that. So in this way, you can make the pictures corrections in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.